Hey there, it's Felicia with Fins, and I have some mail. Okay, so I got something very exciting in the post today. I totally just opened the box, and this was what is inside. Face mask. What do you call these? Masks or goggles or... Tidal Sports. It's the same company as ProShot, which is my underwater phone case that I use to film like all my TikToks, and most of my underwater content is shot in the ProShot case. I actually just became an affiliate with them, and I'm so ecstatic about that because I really believe in their products and I use it so much. So if you're interested, it is the best underwater case in my opinion. I will have a link down in the description, or you can use my code FINS on their website for 20% off, so heck yeah. Let's get into this face mask. I'm really excited. I said, do you have any other products that you want me to try? And I said, yeah, we got a sweet anti-fog mask. Give it a go. So here we are. I like that it comes in a nice big case, and it also does have, you know, mask care and instructions, which is always nice. Listen to your manufacturers. The anti-fog film will last 1 to 3 years depending on the frequency of use, so that's really nice. They even have available on their website some replacement films, which is so cool. This is the mask. It's really big. It says that it fits 90% of face sizes and shapes, so we'll see. It's got a lot of adjustments here. Let's try it on. Whoa! Okay, so it's a little bit big for me right now, so let's see how easy it is to tighten. Okay, nice. I don't need to tighten it too much. Oh wow, it smells brand new. That's really nice. I actually really like the look of it. It's really like kind of futuristic. I don't know, it's pretty cool. And I like I got the blue with the red like reflection. I think it looks pretty dope. I can't wait to try them in the water and see how the anti-fog actually works. There we go. One exciting package. Definitely go to proshotcase.com, check out their other products, their face masks, their cases. I'll do a full review here. ProShot, it comes in a case, which is really nice because sometimes it's just like, here you go, keep it okay. I use mine so much. It comes with a handle that floats, as well as, you know, a screw, and it fits GoPro mounts, which is a really nice feature because you can put it on a tripod or like any of the mounts, which is so cool. This is the case. It has an insert here. You put your phone, you slide it in, and then you clamp it shut like so. And then you can use the side buttons to, like, you know, stop or take photos. It comes with its own app for use underwater. I think, unfortunately, it is only available for iPhone users at this point. There you have it. This is my baby. And you can get it proshotcase.com with my link, or fins at checkout if you do decide to purchase. You get 20% off, and it helps me out a little bit. So, it's me, Felicia, with fins, and today we are turning into a different mythical creature. So at the time I'm recording this, it is the week of leading up till Halloween, and I finished the Vampire Diaries recently, and my inspiration for my costume this year is Damon Salvatore, but like a gender bend. So I'm gonna make him into a female vampire. And I've already acquired certain parts of the costume. I've got fangs, I've got spray blood, and I got the signature motorcycle boots. So here they are. These are vintage Guess motorcycle boots. I got them on Poshmark. If you aren't a part of Poshmark, I would highly suggest signing up. So these are the boots. They make me feel like a badass rock star. I've had this leather jacket since I was like a sophomore in high school, so a while. Now I am on the hunt for bootcut jeans to go with these nice boots, and some like v-neck t-shirts to go underneath the leather jacket. And I'm going to a consignment shop, and that's what we're doing today. So if you're not only interested in mermaids but also vampires, come along.
I was told it was urgent, come see me tonight. In the circle we're flirting and we danced for hours. She knew that she had me, but I didn't realize I'm sleeping with a vampire.
Greetings, humans. It's me, Felicia, with fangs. Oh man, damn it. I dropped one. Anyways, it is currently Halloween Day 2020, and I'm dressed as a vampire. Which vampire am I dressed as, John?
Peter.
Peter?
Got lost in the city when we drove through the night. Stopped by in an alley and she kissed me wild. She knew that she had me, but I didn't see it now. I'm sleeping with a vampire.
What did we just pass, John?
There's a place that's called, a business that's called Wow Fresh Meat.
What do you think they sell?
Dudes, young guys.
Oh my gosh. Humans? Oh, what if it's actually a front? Somebody look into that. Me, myself, and John are going away for the weekend. We got a cool hotel that has an indoor pool, which is super exciting because I have some fun stuff to film.
Oh, I didn't bring a bathing suit.
Anyways, we're going to Hotel 24 South in Stauton, Virginia. Seems cool. We just were looking for anywhere to go to have a weekend away together, and also with a pool. And I'm very excited. We're staying in a historic wing of a hotel, which means haunted. So that should be a really interesting weekend, that's for sure. So, yeah, we're gonna have a nice fun weekend. Going swimming and being possessed. So, stick around. It's so cute! This is the historic downtown area of where we're staying in Virginia. This is Mary Baldwin University. Not sure why I said it with a British accent, but it definitely sounds better. Oh, everything is so quaint. Hello. You're the main character for Halloween.
Okay.
She will call me when she's run out of young blood. Of young blood, she hates to see me fall. That's why she leaves at sunrise. At sunrise, just when morning has come, she's always gone. I'm sleeping with a vampire.
So right now, I look like, you know, a normal person, but I'm an undercover vampire. And if I unzip my jacket, oops, I'm a messy eater.
She knew I was waiting through months in pain. The one day she texted me at 12 a.m. I knew that she had me, and I started to see that I've been hooked up by a vampire.
I just took some creepy photos and videos, and then the clock tower started chiming and then went into a really creepy song. So Halloween is a go this year, wouldn't you say? Yep, I would say.
Just said I'm sorry, I left you behind. And I know it sounds funny that it was enough. Checked in at a hotel and I already knew this time I'm sleeping with a vampire. When morning has come, she's always gone.
Good morning. I'm having a Felicia. I don't know if that's how you say it, but it's like a blueberry muffin thing. And a dark chocolate cappuccino. We did not go swimming last night. We just ate chocolate in bed and then went to sleep. We gotta swim today, this morning. We're gonna go to the pool now, but there's a lot of things I have to do, like put a bathing suit on. John, do you consent to being in my vlog?
I'm gonna have to watch it first.
Ugh. John just had a quiche he wasn't super stoked about, but he also got a cappuccino that has a nice aroma. Does that pretty much sum up your morning so far?
Exactly what I said.
I see, I do listen to you.
When it's for your blog, yeah.
Oh,
Your blog.
see? So you should consent to being in it. Before I put on my swimsuit, this is the fit for today. Got my fish butts extra large hoodie on, and I put a turtleneck on underneath because it was the only shirt that I brought. But I actually love like how it works. It's so warm and so cozy, and like I feel so like still mermaid cute, but like so warm and cozy. So if you don't know, I have merch. I have 3 different designs: the fish butts design, and then another one that says got fins in the same design, and then a mermaid on a lounge chair, and it says straight chillin', and then I have a mermaid scale sheet. So if you're interested, go check that out. I just released a bunch of new stuff, including masks, and wall art, all different types of eco-friendly premium t-shirts. Quality is chef's kiss. We made it, and nothing makes me happier than an empty pool. Look at this. There's even nice plants everywhere. Nobody is even awkwardly staring at us from the gym. Are you so excited, John?
Oh, I'm so excited. This is the most excited I've been since I had my cappuccino this morning.
With a nice aroma.
Yeah.
All right, we're going into the pool. John's wearing the new Tidal anti-fog mask, and I am using the Pro Shot on my phone. It's a little chillier than maybe we would have liked it, but it says it's 83, so we can't be babies, John. Are you a baby?
It's not 83.
Okay, what do you think it is? We're preparing for the Florida Springs. It's gonna be 72. So.
Well, I'm gonna have a wetsuit.
Okay. Wow, it really doesn't fog at all.